Hello there. This is my first ever anime reaction video. My avatar just happened to finish about 12 days ago. I made it myself. The rigging is there actually, but the tracking isn't so good because I use Android and stuff. But yeah, I hope I can do a proper one. So I'm about to try this, continue this maybe. Well, I already watched the first season of Campfire Cooking in Another World. It was such a good anime. The animation and stuff, the voice acting stuff, but I prefer Japanese dub over the English one, so I will be, doing the otaku stuff here. So without further ado, I can't wait to watch this. Okay, let's start it. Oh, I think I ever read some mythology Wikipedia where they said that a rabbit with a horn is kinda sounds like the smallest version of jackalope or something, but it's probably I kinda forgot the name. I gotta find it again. Of course, spiders have hair, right? Why are you so surprised by that? Oh, sorry, my English isn't my first language either, so it's probably terrible sound. Ah, sweet. Yeah. I really want to know who the voice actor of Sui. Maybe it's a woman, but yeah, maybe I can assume that. But it's so cute. Thank you for that. The tsundere. Yes, that's probably so much. That's so tsundere code. I almost forgot that he's like that. It's kind of I forgot to ask. Didn't they live in a fantasy world? They don't have fresh garlic or onion selling in there. Maybe it's because I play Genshin too much. I don't know if those growing in there, but it's such a shame that they can have the fresh one. They have to buy it from the convenience store. You have to be so patient with that. So it's like the method you use when you make curry puff. Surprised how they draw it so good. It's like real life food. How do you even draw this? Alright. I didn't know who the studio is animating this, but they probably have help in that too. So shout out to them too. I really respect their details, and they do justice and stuff like this. Action anime don't have this much detail, right? You are Ufotable anime. Yeah, there's a little difference in there, but even Ufotable follow the original mangaka style, so it depends on the mangaka too. Oh, Mappa did it! Wow! Whoa, 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 whoa. That's amazing. I won't say this doesn't take time to make, but it's probably less stressing than the action one, right? Support mapa. They're good. I really like how they did it. My new companion is absurd. He just said pixie. Of course it's small. Yeah, feed him. Yeah, give it. Give it to him. Like Josuke's stand cry. No, you can't. No. You have to give a better one for that. I really want to retcon that. Oh no. Back to another shot because my video didn't have audio. It's such a huge error. I will be fixing it later in the editing.
見えないな。もっとかっこいい名前が良かったのに。諦めろ。ドラゴンのドラ。
Yeah, give it a cooler name.
最初はポチだのコロだの、なぜかムカッとする名前を
Pochi as in dog's name? Oh my god, that's cruel, Mukoda. You can't do that, you know? That's a wolf, you know? And that's a dragon. You can't give them cute name. You have to give them cooler names. Old man, right? Sugoroku, Muto, I mean, if you ever want. He's really similar. His voice.
いやでも森に近づかずおとなしくしていれば別にそうはいかん。ものが吐き出す糸は町特産の最高級織物の原材料となる。それが手に入らないとなると町の商売上がったりなんじゃか。と言われても。
So it's probably you're given side quests. Welcome to the RPG. Venom Tarantula fried rice, Venom Tarantula salad. Omelette and spring rolls. Yeah, that looks good. Yeah.
食べるより何か理由があった方がいいだろう。お前いいやつだな。ことでいただきます。
So you're okay with the name?
このカニトマトやら濃厚なベノムトーだ。卵の
You have sauce on your nose.
ご飯に乗っけてもうまいぞ。
Yeah.
マヨネーズをレモン汁で緩めて。
Crabs are good if you're not allergic though. I'm allergic, so I can really feel how good it is. I mean, I still eat them, but I have to eat my very bitter medicine to be able to hold out the after effect of eating this. You know, the itchy skin and stuff. If you're healthy and doesn't have any allergy, you have clean blood and stuff, it's good for you. Well, yeah, sometimes. But yeah, sometimes it also comes with a high calorie, so it's not very recommended to eat it every day. But sometimes like this, yeah, it's good. Life, why not? Oh no, it's not for.
こいつを解体してくれる人がいないかと思いました。
Yeah.
いやはや実物を見るのは初めてと聞いたことが。
Actually, from here it looks like a dinosaur head more than the dragon. But
我
okay,
の相手ではなかったがな
it looks good.
さすがはフェンリルじゃな。ドラゴンとなるとやはりあやつ。これダンジョン
Dungeon City. Oh, yeah. Adventure Skill Master. LLN.
やつなら確実じゃ。腕と知識は一
Yeah, LLN do.
腕と知識は、ありがとうございます。
It's the guy from the opening, right? The one who's fascinated interested in dragon. Who doesn't like dragon? They are cool. Oh, they changed the art style and ending. That's cool. Yeah, I like that. It looks neat. It looks like a mix of cartoon style and children storybooks style. The color is also nice. It's not hurting the eyes. I think it's salt and it's pepper. Alright. Is there any more details? Oh, no. The goddess? Yeah, goddess, right? They are all women. I just noticed there's more. I think this is the first in the four that appears in season 1, right? And this is the new 2. My brother already told me about there's more goddess and there's more to this story. Oh, Beef Wellington? Nice. In fantasy world, that's amazing. That's really amazing. Sometimes I also want to draw food like this, in this kind of color, not the overly glistening one, because sometimes this is so unique. It looks like it has some rustic feel to it. But yeah, I can't even draw normal food. I usually draw characters like the one you just see in my avatar. So it's like a new challenge. I mean, I'm the type who doesn't know how to draw a lot of stuff in one time. So it will need more time to manage all of that. But it's good. It's good. I like the style of the map too. It reminds me of that Candy Crush. It looks good. Yeah, I'm not looking for spoilers. I can't handle spoilers. Okay. Well, that's it for this episode. I hope you like it. I don't know why my avatar is closing the eyes so much. Maybe it's because the tracking isn't working well. But I'm glad the mouth is sometimes moving. Well, I hope you really enjoyed it. See you next time. Tell me about what you think about this episode. We will discuss it later in the comment section. Or if you want to ask me about something, maybe you can also ask me in comment section below. Well then, see you next time. Bye.